Dear educators, thank you for joining us today. And this is the last video in the section number 4, test creators. And here we are going to explore Socrative. So first of all, if you would like to join and use this application, you need to follow the link socrative.com, or you can download special application. You need to choose the button which is called login, and here you can see 2 options. So you can propose student login for your students, and you need to use teacher login for yourself. After that, you will see the page with the main information about yourself and about your profile. So we are going to start exploring this application step by step, and we will have a look at these categories. So the first category, the first page is called Launch, and here the page where actually you start launching your quizzes, or if you would like to use the option which is called Space Race, you can launch your quiz as Space Race. And here you can find also options for your questions, which are multiple choice, true, false, and short answers. We will come back to this page a bit later, but the next page, and this is like one of the most important pages in this Socrative application, is called Quizzes. This is your personal library where you can see all your tests, and this test might be created by you, or some colleagues might share their test with you. How to do it, I'll explain a bit later. So if you would like to use any of your created tests, you can just press this test and you can see this edit page. You can change questions, you can change answers, you can add pictures, you can delete them or upload new ones. You can change the name of the quiz. So everything which is very important for you during your lesson. When you are done with this work, you need just to save and exit. If you would like to start and create your own quiz, here we have 2 options, new quiz and import quiz. So import quiz means that some teachers will share a special code with you, and you have to enter this SOC number, this special code of shared quiz, to import it into your account. So you just put this code here and you import the quiz. And after that, you can easily use this quiz. Another option is new quiz. So most of the time, you're going to use new quiz. You can think about the name of this quiz. Usually, if you have the lesson which is dedicated to special topic or special holiday, you can name this quiz as it is. Like, for example, if you talk about holidays, it might be Christmas, it might be Halloween. If we talk about some grammar rules, it might be any grammar name, and so on. So after that, when you are ready with the name, you can think about the type of the questions. You can start with multiple choice, and here you can see a great page with different options. So you have to put here your question. You can use points if it's important for you during this quiz. You can use several answers, but only the one answer will be right, and it's your task to choose which one is right. If you need more answers here, you can also add them. And of course, you can add short explanation to your students. When you are ready with this question, you can continue using multiple choice question, or you can start with true, false, or short answers options. When you're ready, you need to save and exit. And after that, this quiz will appear in your library. So you will be ready to use it. And of course, you will be ready to share it with your colleagues. So find the quiz which was created by you, find this test, use the button which is called share, and share the code with your colleagues or teachers or educators or maybe students who might be interested in this quiz. This option is only available and necessary for those users who would like to share the quiz, not to launch and not to use it during the lesson. If you want to use your quiz during the lesson, you need to come back to the page launch, and we'll talk about how to start these quizzes. So the next category, the next page is called rooms, and this is your personal room. This is your profile. You can edit your profile. You can share your profile with your colleagues and students. The next is called reports, and here you can see all the quizzes which were used by your students and which were organized by you in different types, quiz or space race. And the final, of course, results, which are very important for you as a teacher, and you can use this page to discuss the result during the lesson. You can show students' names here, or you can hide them. Usually, it's necessary to hide students' names just to be able to discuss only results. You can also show responses, and you can hide these responses. You can show results and you can hide results. So if you would like to discuss only responses with your students, you can show names and hide names and hide results, and you can leave only responses to discuss during the lesson. So you will see all the students' names, all the scores, and all the answers to the questions. Right now, the quiz, which is mentioned here, is called Christmas because it was launched over here. So let's come back to this page, launch, and you will see how to start your quiz during the lesson. So if you would like to start it, to launch it, you need to press the button quiz and say yes. Then after that, you choose the quiz which you would like to launch. For example, it's Christmas, and you put the next button. Here you can choose delivery method and settings. It might be instant feedback, open navigation, or teacher-paced. For example, we choose instant feedback, and we have also some options for these answers. And after that, you just press start, and the quiz is launched. So here you will see your students which will join this room using the name of your room. So they need to come back to the main page of Socrative, use student login, and write down here room name. After that, they will be able to join the main page of the teacher. So this is it. Hope you will enjoy using the Socrative test creator during your lessons. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate and contact us.